Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be writing the problem and solution for the part of Off to Class Out of the Rubble. Everyone should have their EL notebook in front of them. We are going to begin looking at page 24. I will be modeling how you should be writing with the school from Brazil, out of the rainforest, from Chiao, Brazil. So some problems the school in Brazil had was it was a small school, only to third grade, and it was hard to get to Manaus, the city. They also had no phones or electricity. In your EL book, under the word problem, you should have some problems written down about the school in Haiti. You should have at least 2 problems written down. Make sure that your graphic organizer on page 24 has at least 2 problems from the school in Haiti, not the school in Brazil. Next, let's take a look at the solution. Remember, the solution is how the problem was fixed. So for the school in Chiao, Brazil, the problem was fixed by building a new school with solar panels, and the new school had internet and computers. You should also have at least 2 solutions in the solution section of the graphic organizer on page 24. I want us now to take a look at the writing portion because today you will be doing your writing. I want us to start off looking at the focus statement. So I gave you guys an example of a focus statement, and you were supposed to write your own focus statement. So let's look at my model of my focus statement and how I could have used that model to write another focus statement. So my model was, in a rainforest in Brazil, it was hard for students to go to school, and their communities solved this problem. So you were supposed to use my model and write your own focus statement. So I want to show you how you could have done that. In a rainforest in Chiao, Brazil, it was difficult for students to go to school. So remember, you guys are writing about Brazil. So you could have written you guys are writing about the school in Haiti. So you guys could have written, in Haiti, it was difficult for students to go to school. So use my model to help you write your focus statement. Let's go down to the solution and conclusion, because remember, that is our learning target for today. We will be writing a solution and a conclusion statement. Do you remember what a solution is? Very good. A solution is how we fix the problem. So let's take a look at my solution model. Remember, I'm once again modeling with the school in Brazil. You are not writing about the school in Brazil. You are writing about the school in Haiti where the earthquake happened. So look at my model. So they solved this problem by building a new school. The new school has solar panels, computers, and the internet. Now all students can stay in their village and go to school. What I want you to do at home is use parts of my solution sentence to help you write your own sentences about the solution of the school in Haiti. Let's look at how I could use my model and reword it. So they solved this problem by building a new school in Chiao. So I used part of the first sentence. So they solved this problem by building a new school in Chiao. Now let's take a look at our conclusion statement. Our conclusion statement will be the same. You can copy that. That is how the community solved the problem. You can also write at home, this is how the community solved the problem. Remember, use part of my solution to help you and the conclusion statement to help you. Write your own at home on page 26.